Many food and beverage applications have mild freezing needs between 0 and -12 Celsius. For these needs, HFO refrigerant-based systems are very suitable and prove to have many benefits compared to ammonia-based systems. In this series, we will compare HFO-based systems to ammonia-based systems in mild freezing applications. Let's talk about maintenance. Building owners and facility managers today are looking for easier, faster, and cheaper maintenance for their HVAC systems. They are more frequently turning to HFO-based systems rather than ammonia-based systems to avoid the high hazard levels of ammonia, which require demanding and costly maintenance by specially trained staff. Trane chillers with HFO refrigerants are easily serviced with planned, preventative maintenance. Trane offers locally based expert support 24/7. For more information on how we can help, go to